Institutions are trying out the use of drones to deliver medicines and vaccines to save lives through timely delivery of the much-needed medical supplies to remote or inaccessible areas. ICT Principal Secretary Dr. Jerome Ochieng says that drones can provide much-needed solutions in a variety of applications to improve customer experience, increase productivity, and mitigate the effects of climate change.
Kenya is looking at emerging technologies like drones to respond to the needs of the people, create jobs and improve livelihoods. Commercial use of unmanned aircraft systems, commonly known as drones, has been steadily rising across the filming industry, surveillance, mapping, sports and news gathering. This is despite a lack of policy guidelines which the government is working on.
Closely with the industry players to make sure that we put in place the necessary legal frameworks that will support the continuous and even the advancement of drone technology in Kenya.
Even though the Kenya Civil Aviation has been overseeing the licensing of drones, privacy and safety remains a key concern, especially from security agencies.
As you talk about drones, the key thing that comes to your mind is issues relating to safety. So those are some of the things that needs to be actually taken into consideration, and also data.
A lot of effort has gone into structuring the country's ecosystem to ensure we have the necessary legislative and regulatory framework.
Despite this, a number of organizations are using drones commercially for filming, security, as well as delivery of small parcels such as medicine and vaccines to remote and inaccessible areas.
We can demonstrate to Kenya Civil Aviation Authority and the government that we can actually use drones to transport, or rather to deliver medicine and vaccines to areas which have poor infrastructure.
They say drones have proven efficient and more cost-effective in leapfrogging the physical connectivity gap in Kenya. So far, more than 350 unmanned aircraft systems have been licensed to operate. Caroline Njenga for Prime Edition.